To fix the Bosch boiler CE 207 error code, it is essential to understand the meaning, causes, and solutions. The CE 207 error code typically indicates a problem with the boiler's flame detection system. This system is crucial for ensuring the boiler operates safely and efficiently. First, let's discuss the causes of this error code. The most common causes include a faulty flame sensor, incorrect flame sensor alignment, or a blockage in the burner. The flame sensor is responsible for detecting the flame in the burner, and if it is faulty or not aligned correctly, the boiler will not operate. To fix the CE 207 error code, start by checking the flame sensor for any signs of damage or wear. If the sensor is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Next, check the alignment of the flame sensor to ensure it is correctly positioned. If the sensor is not aligned correctly, adjust it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Another common cause of the CE 207 error code is a blockage in the burner. Check the burner for any signs of blockage or debris. If a blockage is found, clean the burner thoroughly to ensure it is free from any obstructions. In some cases, the CE 207 error code may be caused by a more serious issue, such as a problem with the boiler's control board or a gas supply issue. If the error code persists after checking and cleaning the flame sensor and burner, it may be necessary to consult a professional heating engineer to diagnose and fix the issue. To prevent the CE 207 error code from occurring in the future, it is essential to regularly maintain the boiler. This includes checking the flame sensor and burner for any signs of wear or damage, and cleaning the burner regularly to ensure it is free from any blockages. By following these steps and taking regular maintenance seriously, you can fix the Bosch boiler CE 207 error code and ensure your boiler operates safely and efficiently. Remember to always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and seek professional help if you are unsure about any aspect of the process.